Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am getting my hair done today. It's February 1st, which means a new protective style is coming your way. I'm getting a frontal done, and I've never had a frontal before, so I'm super excited. The girl that's going to do it, found her on Instagram. I have high hopes because her pictures looks amazing, so I hope that she slays my hair. I washed and conditioned my hair yesterday, so it looks so crazy, but my hair feels really good. So right now I'm just going to moisturize it before I go to my appointment. When I'm going to get my hair done by someone else, which rarely happens, I like to make sure that my hair is in really good shape, nice and detangled, because I do not want people detangling my hair. No. It's growing. This video is going to be sponsored by Ishowhair. So they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try their frontals, and I was like, oh my god, great timing, because I was just about to buy some hair off AliExpress. So it was great timing. Their hair seems to be really good quality. The frontal looks like it's in excellent shape. The front is all lace going around from ear to ear, so I'm pretty excited about that because I should be able to part my hair wherever I want to. So yeah, right now I am really making sure that my hair is moisturized because I hate getting my hair braided and then taking out my braids a month later and my hair is super dry. That's not cute. No one wants that. And let's go get our hair done. Oh my god. So this is my hair. There's just a little something when you get your hair done and it turns out really good and you're happy with it. I love the length. You guys know I don't like really long hair. This is what it's like. Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna get you this up close so you can see this baby hairs that were created today. Okay? Are you ready for this? I don't know if you're ready for this. You ready? Oh my god. You see this? You see this? Oh, that? Yes! When I tell you I am snatched. I don't know what she did. I can't tell you. Don't ask me. All I can tell you is that this is my hairline right now. Like, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, grandma. My hair looks okay. I need to calm down. So, let's talk about the hair. The hair is so nice. It's so soft. So when she was doing it, she was combing it out, like the front especially, like the frontal piece. So it was getting a little bushy, and she just wet it with some water, and look, it bounced back. It's human hair. It's so soft. I love it. Ooh, and then when I get my makeup done, alright, so this is my hair for the Protective Style Challenge. I hope to keep it in for a month and then take it down and do something else for March. And then we'll literally have, what, 3 more months left for the challenge? I'm actually going to do my makeup because I am going out and I need to hurry up, to be honest. But I'm going to quickly do my makeup and get out of here. So I opted for a nice light makeup, little red lip to bring it all in. Really didn't do much to my hair, but you know, sometimes you don't need to do too much to it, you know?